As one of Lionel Messi's biggest critics, I fully endorse and agree with Messi winning the Ballon d'Or award for this year. I mean, having spent over a decade battering Messi for not winning any senior international titles, to see the baller step up and perform top goal scorer, most valuable player, leading Argentina to the Copa America title away in Brazil, and still put up his numbers, 30-odd goals for his club. Then where the argument there? Wait there. If the Maverick, as the so-called biggest Messi hater, is honest enough to admit that Messi deserved this award this year, then the case not closed. I think people are just upset at some of the awards Messi got in the past when never deserved, like the Golden Ball Award in the 2014 World Cup. The people who gave him that award should be rotting in prison. But fear is fear, and Messi finally performed to his level and finally won a senior title. And the other contenders, contextually, did nothing special. This is a non-argument. Next year now, when Messi go round a Qatar, go flop again, then we will join you and beat him again. Yes. But for right now, Lionel Messi is the Mavericks' bestie.